How to install the AntaRx Smart Antenna. Hello everyone, my name is Linda, and in today's video I will walk you through on how to install the AntaRx Smart Antenna. But before we do that, what is the AntaRx Smart Antenna? AntaRx is the latest rugged multi-frequency and multi-constellation smart antenna, providing both highly accurate and reliable positioning. With its RTK capabilities, it delivers position coordinates with sub-centimeter accuracy in open sky condition and within a few centimeters in harsh environments. Additionally, the AntaRx-Aux as an auxiliary antenna, it is possible to get 2D or even 3D orientations of the vehicle depending on the model. This smart antenna is housed in a high-impact resistant polycarbonate with IP69K capability and has state-of-the-art connectivity. This antenna can be connected to the internet via the 4G LTE cellular modem, making it ideal for connecting remotely as well as transmitting or receiving data. To serve the global market in a large variety of applications, the AntaRx comes in multiple variants. We have the AntaRx S3 GNSS only smart antenna, the AntaRx S3 GNSS smart antenna with cellular modem for Europe and the US, the AntaRx S3 GNSS smart antenna with cellular modem for Japan, and we have the AntaRx Si3 GNSS INS smart antenna with cellular modem for Europe and the US. Now, we'll be installing the AntaRx Smart Antenna. The first step in installing is choosing the appropriate mounting location on the vehicle. Ensure the desired location has ample space for the antenna and the cables that will be connected to it. Depending on the type of vehicle, there are 3 secure mounting options. The first option involves mounting the device directly onto the roof of the vehicle or any other flat and stable surface. This approach is ideal for vehicles with sufficient roof space and smooth surface, secure for mounting without additional support. Ensure the mounting surface has 4 pre-drilled holes in a square pattern 120 mm apart with proper flatness. Using M5 or M6 screws with thread lockers or self-locking nuts and with a tightening torque of 5 Nm to secure attach the antenna. The second option utilizes specialized mounting brackets with a 40 mm diameter pipe. This method provides added flexibility and stability, allowing the device to be positioned at an optimum height depending on the vehicle's structure. The third option involves using a 40 mm pipe in combination with a 5 by 8 inch thread adapter. This configuration is particularly useful for installations where a threaded connection is needed for added security or compatibility with other mounting systems. Each of these options offers a steady, reliable mounting solution depending on the vehicle's design and specific installation. For evaluation or testing of the AntaRx Smart Antenna, you can use a development cable that comes with various interface options. The antenna can be powered either through power over Ethernet or with a 9 to 48 volt DC power source. Please note that there is no power button, which means the antenna will power on automatically as long as there is power supplied. Depending on your application, you would need a custom cable with specific lengths and connectors. We have a video tutorial that will help you do so. After the AntaRx is successfully installed, the next step is to connect it to the web interface. This can be done using the USB connection, cellular network, or Ethernet connection. And there you have it, and that's how you install the AntaRx Smart Antenna. To explore more information and access detailed documentation, visit the support page on our official website. You will also find a variety of helpful articles in the knowledge base section. If you need to report technical issues, navigate to the Report a Problem page. For further technical assistance, you can click on the Request Information page. Thank you for watching.